Here is the newest sewing tool of Jebb sewing channel, and this is a CONAIR Extreme Steam Nano Titanium Sew Plate with smooth glide Pro Steam Iron. So I'm going to open the box and we'll take a look and see what is in here. This iron is supposed to be 1,875 watts. There we can see inside the cable. And out comes the iron with a plastic bag. There was a little instruction booklet, and I already took that out. So there's not much in the box apart from the iron and the plastic bag it came in. Let me remove that. And here we have the instructions there. So I've already been looking over them, and it makes sense to me. So that's encouraging. I've placed the iron on the ironing blanket, and I have a small container of water, and I've already opened the lid for where I have to pour the water in. So I'm going to set the iron up on its end, on its heel, angle it correctly, and I'm going to try to get all the water inside without spilling it off. Okay, so I see a water line there. There's a maximum line up there. So I have more than enough room to put in another container full of water. So, oopsie daisy, tripping over myself here. Well, I plugged it in, and this green light came on, and it's been on for about a minute, and I haven't adjusted any of the settings or controls yet. So what I'm looking at, that's the self-cleaning button, so I don't need that. Obviously I need to be concerned with this, and there, that is on max, I believe. There's narrow right up there. And so I've got it on max now, and this has gone red, and it was green before. So I'm thinking that when it heats up, that should go green. And I'm just going to turn my timer on and see if when it does change, approximately how long it'll be. There, now it has gone green. The light has gone green, so that should be good for, pardon me, for ironing. So I have two buttons. I have the steam and the spray. The spray nozzle is down there, and of course the steam nozzles are there on that copper covered plate. It says CONAIR. Oh, it's got the address of where their office is and all that. But it's 1,875 watts. Absolutely. So feels good. It's smooth on the ironing board. So I should get something to iron so that I can check it out, test out the steaming and all that stuff. I'm going to just give them an ironing right now. I'm not going to turn them inside out or any of that stuff. I'm just going to give it some heat and then see if I can give it some steam, and that would be a good place to give it some steam right there. That was a little blast of steam. That was good. I think it is directly related to how hard my thumb presses the button, and maybe how fast as well. Let's try it again. Well, that seemed to work pretty good, I guess. There you go. That was a good jet of steam. One thing I did notice is that it takes a lot of water. I didn't fill it up all the way, maybe only 2/3, well, 3/4 of the way. It says full as there, and the water's somewhere around there. So just more than 3/4 full. I like it. It's got a good weight to it. It's nice and smooth. I noticed the electrical cord is a little shorter than the 12-foot one on the center. I think this one is only about maybe 8 feet or something like that. Close to that. There, the green power light is on again. It was on red for a minute, as it had probably got to its max, which is great. And then down here, I'll get inside first, do that, and then go outside and get right on that hem and give it a blast. Come on the inside quick here. See, it went red, and now the power light has come on. It's going green. So I guess when it's red, I think it's charging or needs to still charge, and when it's green, it's good to go. What I do like is that every time I press the button, it does eject steam. It doesn't delay or sputter or anything like that. So I'm quite happy with that. You know what, I still could do that, because I went right to the bottom and left that a little bit undone. Same on this side. And now that the rest of it's done, it's really noticeable, and that part that's not ironed. I like it. It's kind of a new lifestyle for me, you know, like doing laundry and ironing and really getting interested in fabrics and taking care of my clothes. But it's a good job, you know. It makes me happy. It makes me feel that I'm accomplishing something, you know. And I mean, being busy is one of the key techniques for happiness. So yeah, I've just done a bit there, the front at the top, and that's all that I'm going to do on that for now for part of this demonstration. What I do want to do is put this down. I'll get my timer, and I want to test that the auto shut off does auto shut off, and I'm sure it will, because it does on the Singer and it did on the Black & Decker. And let me get on here, get the camera, well, the timer, I need the timer, not the camera. Got it set for 0, and I'll put that down there and then hit the start and see what happens in 30 seconds. I'm thinking that that should go red, that green light. We got 10 seconds, 15, halfway there, 25, 5-second countdown for seeing that light change at about 31 or 32. It went. There, see that? And we hear it. So it's flashing green, beeping, 42 seconds, and now it's just sitting there flashing. Well, that's interesting. I thought it might go to a red or just go off entirely. It's been a minute now, so we'll stop that right there. And there, put it up, and it goes red again. And there it's green, ready to go. And there it is there. And so I'm finished using it, and as per the instructions, I unplugged the machine, the iron. There, good job, Jebb. Safely unplugged and finished the ironing. Well, I really enjoyed that, folks. It's the third iron in 3 or 4 days. I do like this one more so than the Black & Decker. I would say this is a close contender to the Singer, and I think this one has a larger water reservoir than the Singer. What I really like about the Singer, the one thing is that the Singer has a 12-foot cord. This one does not. It maybe has a 9-foot cord or an 8-foot cord or an 8.5-foot cord. Not that it makes a huge difference to me right here, because my receptacle is there. So this is interesting. I'm pleased about this. Three really good irons. I'd say 2 really good irons. The Singer and this CONAIR. Black & Decker has a good name on many products, but I really did find its iron lacking. I would not like to see somebody pay $100 plus tax for the Black & Decker Advantage iron that I had here, because it takes a long time to heat up initially, anytime really, and then it cannot rapid fire steam like this one in the Singer can, and that was 2 of the big differences. You know, I don't even know if I remember measuring the cord on the Black & Decker, because I knew it was going back to the store. The store, they were very good about it. I told them, you know, I don't have the wrapping from the Black & Decker. I have the box in their seat. They said, fair enough, we'll give you fair trade for whatever you paid for that. We'll apply it to your next purchase. So I got one the exact same price. Anyway, I'm really enjoying this. Hope you're having fun too. Ciao for now. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Adios, amigos.